Yo, is it cool if I record? They're just facing down.
Yeah.
Alright, for sure. What size are these?
Them are 6.5.
Are they small sizes?
These are 7.
Mm.
These like these and them. And oh yeah, I told you. Remember I told you the designer ones?
Yeah.
I let you get these just for the cheap, just because my uncle gave them to me. I can't fit them.
For sure. What size are them other dunks?
What other dunks?
The green ones.
Size 7.5.
Really? What they called again? I might call it that. I ain't gonna cap.
I don't know the name. I got it from New York.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. They limited out here.
For real?
Yeah. I'm just messing with you because I'm down bad right now. I just need selling type shit.
Oh, they are women's shoes, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a men's shoe. I was looking at the wrong shit. I can't.
But it's 7.5 in our size.
Oh, so 7.5 men.
Yeah.
For sure.
They tell you on the box.
They olives, right?
Yeah, they make.
It's a 9 women's.
Yeah, they really like 232 used. You feel me? That's why I said 200.
Yeah, for sure. How much you trying to look for these?
Oh, I told you give me like 50.
They all kind of beat. Ain't gonna cut to you, bro.
These newer. Like, you get what I'm saying? That's why I said I'd give you a deal on them. Like shit like that. That's like 40, 50. I don't really do it for you. I know all you gotta do is swipe them. You get what I'm saying? Like, I know niggas gonna clean and sell them for what they gonna sell for. Put they cap on. You go for it, bro.
You said what?
I think that's the box for these right here.
Bro.
Yeah, these are my 12s.
Damn. How much were you thinking for all 4?
Throw me a deal.
I'm trying to see how much you. I'm trying to see how much you at.
I'm trying to see how much you at.
Bro, your shoe though.
So I can be willing to tell you yes or no. You get what I'm saying? That's
yeah, just throw me a price though. It's your shoe, bro. I'm trying to see how much you offering and trying to see if we in the same range.
Oh yeah, like 225.
225 for all these?
Yeah, 250.
None of them got boxes?
I got the box of these.
I just don't. Oh shit, my fault.
You good, my brother.
I think market low on these. I ain't gonna cut to you.
What you mean?
They don't go for much brand new.
Yeah, these the box of these.
Oh, bro.
Nah, they go for like 120.
What they called?
Dunk. They the high dunk. GS. These the Kobe's.
Kobe?
Kobe's, yeah. This the box for them, though. The other boxes for I'm at my house, like for like the I ain't got no box for the 11s. I got a box for these 3.
What size are those? 6.5? Oh, so they GS size.
Yeah. That's why they could go for more. Like, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah. You said 6.5, right?
Yep, 6.5, sir.
Damn.
I got these too. I don't know if you know about these though.
I never seen them like that too.
This shit's real.
Lowest on GOAT, brand new, is 76.
76. That's why I told you I let you get it for like 40.
Like, I'm gonna be way off. I ain't gonna cut to you. See?
Cause they don't have wear. They just got little. You know what I'm saying?
That's true. Damn. These don't got boxes, right?
Oh no, I got a box for them. They just at the spot for real. That's on my money. I got a box for these 9s too. I just ain't got no box for these. I ain't got no box for these or these.
Then you don't have no other shit?
Nah, not really. Not that I'm trying to give or just give away. Like, you get what I'm saying? I got shit, but it's shit that I actually want money for. That's new actually. That ain't been worn type shit.
Like what type of shit? Some 4s?
4s. Cause these ain't these brand new. These just dropped, and I ain't wear these like that.
They don't got boxed.
I got a box for them. I can go and get it like I said. It's just
Yeah, cause tomorrow. When can you get it though? Cause tomorrow.
I can pull it back up on you tonight. If you want some more shoes, like I said, I can go and see what else I got. So like, if you grab this, I go and see what else I got. I ain't capping to you.
Touch it. Yeah. You said 200, your lowest?
200.
I don't know if I could do 200. I ain't gonna cap.
Bro, these alone, bro, I want 90 for it. Off the drop, cause I ain't.
You want 90 for those?
Yeah.
Can't do that, man.
It's all good. I feel it.
I'll probably be at 100 for all.
Nah, that's
just.
That's just lowballing.
Nah, that's not lowballing. That's cause you don't see these, bro.
3, 4. That's cool. Then I give you these for $40, $30.
I can't even do 40, but I'll be buying 40 wet boxes, bro.
That's what's up, my brother. I mean, all right. I mean, you made me waste my time coming out here.
Nah.
You could at least throw a nigga some gas money, bro. I just came 30 minutes away for you to tell me.
I just came here too, bro. I was driving over here.
Bro, I met you in your apartment.
I don't even stay here. I stay in Lawrenceville, bro.
You do me, my boy?
What you mean, bro? I told you saw the ones I wanted, bro.
It's all good. Nah,
I told you said you gonna pull up on me, and I said, all right, we could check it out and we could talk prices.
We could take these out of the picture. Shit, I give you these. I give you these for probably 80.
Shit, I
these
can't
for
do
like
it.
an 80.
All these for 80?
Yeah, but you ain't getting them 9s. That's big. Them basically new.
Really?
Yeah. And I got the box of these. I can go and sell these to my pocket.
For sure. I'll probably pass, bro, but I ain't gonna care. It's just, I don't even know if I could get bread for these.
I need some gas money, my boy. I came out here thinking you was finna buy something. I ain't got no money on me at all. I just came here. Bro, I'm on goddamn 30 miles.
What the fuck, bro? I mean, I'm trying to work something out. I ain't trying to leave you empty-handed.
I really feel like you're trying to cheat me for real, my boy. Like, that ain't cool. Like, for real. That ain't cool, cause I don't need to do business like that. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I feel you.
Like for real. Like I don't even try to play no nigga because where I come from, bro. Like really, right now, I got a son.
I feel you.
I'm trying to do right. I ain't trying to be on my old shit.
No, I feel you.
Like I feel like you trying me right now, my brother, and that ain't cool. You get what I'm saying? But I done been cool enough for you, but I done came 30 minutes away. I just told you where I was at. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I feel you.
And you calling a young nigga trying to tell him, bro, I know what these shoes go for. Might not these shits. But I know what these like, bro, you ain't finna tell me these ain't going for no $90, bro. That's crazy as hell, bro. You not finna sit right here and try me like that, bro. You see that I got on clean, good shit, bro. I know what clean, good shit go for. I buy shoes. I buy shoes too, bro. I
feel you, bro.
I sell shoes to niggas who getting money for real. Like, I'm just fucking with you on the little. Cause I was like, shit, I'm gonna run the deal for you, but don't try to cheat me, man.
Nah.
Come on.
Who said I was trying to cheat you, bro? I'm just trying to look at the shoes.
That's what you saying in your price.
Nah. I'm about to leave, bro. I ain't gonna care.
I was telling her to put my car up, bro. I got down. I ain't gonna care.
Nah, I feel you. Nah, I don't think we can work out a deal. I ain't gonna cut to you, bro.
My brother, look. Alright, so throw me some gas.
Huh?
Throw me some gas. I done came all the way. I done came 30 minutes away.
Alright, let me see what I can do, bro, cause I drove here too. Hold on. Fuck that nigga, bro. Yo, nigga.
What happened?
Hey, turn left.
I knew he's coming. That nigga's speeding right now. On my mama, that nigga's speeding. Oh, nah, that nigga's coming after our asses.
Nah, I knew he was gonna do
That
that.
nigga's coming. Oh, now I'm putting my head down before that nigga shoot.
Nigga, does this happen a lot, nigga? Nah.
Yeah, don't go fast.
He's actually coming?
Yeah.
Where he at?
Oh, but he I don't think he saw us from here.
No, I don't see his car.
He didn't see us from here.
Is that the black
that's
one?
him, the black one.
Oh, that black one, that nigga coming.
You falling, guys?
Oh, no. Oh, my fucking God. I'm fucking dead. Wait, what happened? Why is he getting mad?
Because he wanted gas money. We said, fuck it, fix it.
Nah, that's not it.
don't think you catch up. Make a quick turn and we're lost it. If you make a quick turn, we lost it. Go back, like in this lane, like stay in this lane.
Where's this line take you?
Let's not take a left over there.
Yeah, bro.
Nah, cause on the freeway right now.
Appreciate it for watching the video. Subscribe to the YouTube. I'll be posting more videos. Go tap in with the Instagram at blunt.kicks on Instagram. And yeah, see you on the next video, guys. Peace.